In front of me is REALME X50 PRO 5G, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and go to Contacts. Select the contact that you want to add this profile picture to and select Edit Contact. Here just click on the camera icon, and if someone is staying right in front of you, click on Take a Photo, or you can choose something from your gallery. And then pick if it's about Google Photos or your own gallery and device storage. And I will pick this picture. And then crop photo with whichever app you prefer, and you can smoothly customize it so you can change the layout in accordance with your own preferences. I will leave it this way. Tap on Done and Save. And from now on, every time Johnny will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.